The average age of this class maybe is around 25-26 years. And again, when you are coming in my classes, I am only telling you one thing, that please feel that this examination is possible. मुझसे बोलो, loudly बोलो ना यार. If it is impossible, it is only because of us. मुझसे बोलो. तो आपको कुछ चीजों को फॉलो करना है. There are so many teachers, unlimited guidance. Unlimited समझते हो ना? Unlimited. Wherever you want to search, you can search anything. If I want the medicine, I'm having the very high fever, and now I'm not knowing how this fever is going down. So first thing that I'm knowing myself. From my childhood days, my father providing me the paracetamol. Okay, I'm taking the paracetamol. Even now my fever is not going down, I'm taking the internet. Now I'm writing fever, cold, body pain, and now ibuprofen, paracetamol, certain type of, that's the acetinomycin, that this type of tablets will come. Now without any type of advice, I'm just going. My medical, that is a shopkeeper, is knowing me out of the counter sale, and he is giving the medicine. I'm again taking the medicine. But again, I'm not having the full relief. Fever is coming, fever is going. Again it is coming, it is again going. Now ultimately I need some expert. When I need some expert, automatically it is a doctor. Now doctor is also having some classification. 30-year, 40-year, 10-year, 15-year experience. Now put yourself in the UPSC preparation. From the childhood days till graduation, you are knowing how to read. So many people are having this notion in the mind that we are knowing reading, we can do it. Yes, you can do it. But even then you are needing certain type of guidance. So those toppers who are saying that in the one go, two go, I qualify this examination without any classes, without any teacher, absolutely correct. But you are not knowing their whole story. That there was someone behind them, maybe their cousin brother or their real brother or some uncle who already knew this field, and they are providing the proper guidance, what to read, how to write the answer. Otherwise it is not possible. The second complementary role belongs to that person himself, that he is better than others. He is a highly dedicated man, not the motivated person, and he really want to crack this examination. Now the second, that is a type of people who are not having any, there's a guidance, even they want to do themselves, collapse. And that's why a lot of people in Rajendra Nagar, Mukherjee Nagar, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad are struggling. The second type of people are over trusting over the internet. Now everything, whatever they want to read, they are reading from internet. They are doing passive post-mortem reading. Post-mortem reading. In our parliamentary system, we are having public account committee. Public account committee is doing post-mortem auditing of the files provided by KEG. In the same manner, UPSC every year providing the paper. When UPSC every year providing the paper, after the paper, whatever question you are feeling troubled, you are reading that question from the internet, and now you are feeling that that question will come again, which will never. Papers are providing you the themes, that pollution question will come again, but they are not telling you which part of pollution will come again. For example, in my classes only in the newspaper, I am providing you the elaboration about the pollution, yes or no. So your concept should be good. Anything they will ask, that from the forest fire, which pollution, from the burning of solid waste, which pollution is emitting. So if your concept is strong, you can apply your concept and land to the answer. So second type of people are internet people. Now in the internet people, 1 or 2% will get success, but we are generalizing it, that the people who are reading from internet, YouTubes, they are getting the advantage. But who are getting the advantage? Now suppose today I am listening something, I'm already knowing what is the syllabus, what are the content. Now I'm easily deducting which content is good and which content is bad. So here wastage of time is very high. So I'm not criticizing anything, I'm just telling you pros and cons. So the time wastage is very high. Anyone is becoming the YouTube leader, a teacher, and they are just randomly doing the courses because they are earning the money through internet. YouTube is providing substantial amount of money if your video is a super hit. And now they are not concerning about their students. Even they're not knowing who are their students. And education system always says there should be a close relationship between the teacher and the student. Now the third people who are going toward the teacher, and now here also there is a range of the teacher. It is your decision to whom you are selecting your teacher, but the ultimate role of a teacher is, आज सब लोग दिमाग से सुन लेना, teacher is not the one who is making intelligent person more intelligent. Teacher is that person who is making zero to hero. That means that person is having common sense, IQ, but he is not knowing anything about this field. Even the teacher is doing that much hard work with that student that he will easily qualify this examination. I'm not knowing about other, but I am coming in that classification. But I need your proper participation. A good student is always energetic, full with a smile, no overthinking, no future, no past, no calculation about what will happen in the future, because we all are not knowing what will happen in the future. We are not knowing the COVID, but COVID impacted us. Yes or no? We are not knowing how we can sit in the houses, but we were sitting in the houses. We are not knowing when our mother, father will die, but they will die one day. Ha, Yana. Even we are not knowing when is our death. Then why to overthink? Why to waste this precious energy of life? Just think in this manner. बोलो life is very precious. Loudly बोलो यार. बोलो सब चीजें गई भाड़ में. Everything is going out of my life. I just want a happy life, and happiness never come through IAS. Happiness never comes through careers. Happiness coming through self-satisfaction, which I can get every day. Bolo, if I complete my daily task without any type of dishonesty, without any type of overthinking, automatically in the night I am having good amount of smile, because I am knowing मैं इससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता था. That's it. So be honest to oneself is the ultimate source of smile. Maybe we are faking somebody else, but we are never faking ourselves. आप दूसरों से झूठ बोल सकते हो, लेकिन आप खुद से कभी झूठ नहीं बोल सकते. आप दूसरों बोल सकते हो, no, 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 I don't want any interfere in my life. I don't want any girl or boy. But actually, you are knowing you are in this. You are fully in this, but you are faking others. No, 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 no. My hormones are under control, but you are knowing this. Your hormones is not in your control. No, 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 no. I am doing 14-hour studies, but you are knowing you are not even doing 2 hours of sincere studies. And that's why in the night you are not able to sleep. So if you really want to sleep, please shut down your hypocrisy. Follow only 3 important rules of a sincere student. Bolo smile, self-satisfaction, self-honesty, and no hypocrisy. Never do compilation of any work. This compilation blast you. One class, oh, I will do tomorrow. Second class, I will do day after tomorrow. Third class, oh, today I am not healthy. Fourth class, today I am having some work. My friend is having party. Sir is not knowing. There's trouble going on in my house. Nowhere trouble is going on. Trouble is going on in your mind. All the shouts belong to the mind. There is nothing called any shout outside this mind. If you trained your mind, even there is a lot of shouts outside in the atmosphere or the environment, your mind is not feeling any shout. Even your outside environment is silent, but your mind is not stable, then there are so many shouts. Are you understanding my point? So if you really want happiness, a good energy for your studies, proper compilation, proper completion of work on the daily manner, you should only work upon one important dimension, that is mind. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूं. In Hindu mythology, there is a lord by the name of Lord Krishna. People are saying he is a mystical man, a god, but feel his life is full of miseries. In the childhood days, parent got separated. Throughout the childhood, 1 year to 18 years, so many people want to kill him. Kans, Rakshas, so many people. Then he loved a lot to Radha. Radha never become the part of his life. He was blamed for the murder of more than lakhs people in the Kurukshetra. He was also blamed by his own wife with the charge of thief. Balram was never happy with Krishna by saying, you are Chaliya, you are clever, you are responsible behind the defeat of Kauravas. But Lord Krishna is always having a smile. So we should not learn from our epics regarding what exactly is happening. What is God? No, these epics are to teach you. They are the social books. They are the political books. That in spite of any type of disturbance in your life, even you should smile if you focus on your karma. Because karma is the ultimate source of meditation. I am teaching in my classes from morning to evening, continuously, non-stop. And if I'm calculating on an average, I'm teaching 70 topics a day, 70. And these topics I'm teaching without any books. Now tell me, what is meditation? That exactly is a meditation. because I am not making my mind to think something else. If in my classroom I'm only teaching, if in my office I'm only prodding the administration, asking how my student is performing, what they need. So try to understand, if you really want to do ultimate meditation, focus yourself purely on your task, whether it is cooking, whether it is learning, whether it is gardening or anything, but focus on your task. When we are focusing on our task, we are feeling enormous amount of energy. We are not feeling tired. We are not feeling insecure. We are not feeling without any job, but we will attack and we will get the results. तो आज के इस पूरे जो मैं 10-15 मिनट बोलता हूं उससे हम क्या सीखे? 3 इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इफ यू वांट टू लर्न, एंड दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बोलो स्माइल, बिकॉज इट इज ऑलवेज हैविंग काउंटर गुड इफेक्ट. अगर आप स्माइल करोगे, सामने वाला भी आपको देखकर स्माइल करे बड़ो, तो सामने वाला भी ऐसे बैठेगा, अच्छा रे. तो नेगेटिविटी जनरेट नेगेटिविटी. बोलो नथिंग टू लूज, तो ओनली टू स्माइल. जब कुछ खोने को ही नहीं है तो क्या करो जीवन में. जब जीवन आपको पीटे ना, तो खुश होके पिटो. क्या दिक्कत की बात है? क्योंकि पिटने के बाद हरियाली आएगी. आप रोते रहते हो, दिक्कत यह है 24 घंटे रोते रहते हो, पूछते रहते हो दुनिया से, मैं बनूंगा नहीं बनूंगा, बनूंगा नहीं बनूंगा. भाई तुझे पता है तू बनेगा? पहले ये बता, आर यू श्योर दैट यू विल? इफ यू श्योर, देन देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड नोबडी टू आस्क फ्रॉम कि भैया मैं बनूंगा या नहीं बनूंगा. तू बता, तुझे पता है? हाँ सर पता है. नहीं, हाँ से नहीं, दिल से बता. सर नहीं बनूंगा. क्यों नहीं बनेगा? सर पढ़ता नहीं. बस आंसर आ गया. मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? खुद से पूछो ना. क्या तुम 9 घंटे ईमानदारी से पढ़ते हो? 9 घंटे मतलब फोकस स्टडीज. क्या वो 9 घंटे की हैं? और जब तक 9 घंटे की नहीं होंगी, मैं गारंटी दे रहा हूं आपको इस धरती पर कोई आईएएस नहीं बना सकता है, बिकॉज इट नीड 300 डेज 9 आवर्स ऑफ सिंसियर स्टडीज. तो बोलो स्माइल. नो ओवर थिंकिंग, आगे की और पीछे की कोई भी थिंकिंग नहीं करनी. और तीसरा, नो कंपाइलेशन ऑफ वर्क, डू योर कर्म.